exercise 3.4 question number 5th.
Man, your child has not worn the uniform, school uniform in the class.
Explain why a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. Rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. Student, please tell me what is convex quadrilateral?
Because it is completely out of view, no?
Yes. Yes, Poonam.
Man, he can wear white shirt, any white shirt, and he has.
Yes, less than 180 degree.
No, man.
And diagonal should be interior of the quadrilateral. अगर डायगोनल क्वाड्रिलेटरल के अंदर है और each interior angle is less than 180 degree, that is called convex quadrilateral. Rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. Quadrilateral because each angle is the measurement of each angle you can write as measurement of each angle of each angle is less than 180 and its diagonals. Rectangle is a convex quadrilateral because measurement of each angle is less than 180 degree and diagonals of rectangles lie wholly inside the rectangle. That is your rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle whose each interior angle is less than 180 degree and diagonals lie and diagonals lie inside the rectangles. Diagonals lie inside the rectangles. ABCD is a rectangle in which measurement of each angle is less than 180 degree and diagonals lie inside the rectangle. So rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Clear? In convex quadrilateral, measurement of each angle should be less than 180 degree and diagonals lie inside the rectangles. These are your diagonals that is lie inside the rectangles. If your diagonals lie outside the quadrilateral, that will be your concave quadrilateral, such as it is your diagonal that lie outside the quadrilateral, so it is a concave quadrilateral. Clear, students? But in convex quadrilateral, your diagonals lie inside the quadrilateral, so it is convex quadrilateral. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Poonam,
No, sir.
Varsha, उन्नति कुमारी, आशीष कुमार यादव, सवरे, खुशी. Any doubt, any problem? Garbika, any doubt?
No, sir.
Isa Singh, very your uniform. Isa Singh. ABC is a right angle triangle. Question number 5. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. And O is the midpoint of side opposite to right angle. O is the midpoint. O is the midpoint, that is your right angle. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is 90 degree and side opposite to right angle, that is hypotenuse, and O is the midpoint of AC. ABC is a right angle triangle and O is the midpoint of side opposite to right angle. Explain why. O is equidistant from A, B and C. The dotted line are drawn additionally to help you. Student, we will construct it. Construction. We have to show that O is a point which is equidistant from A, B and C. Equidistant means equal distance. We have to prove that O is a point which have equal distance from A, B and C. First of all, we will join OB. In construction, we join OB and extend dotted line. We take dotted line. That is join OB and extend it to point. Extend it to point B, such that OD is equal to OB. ABC, that is OD. Now join CD, join AD, that is OD. Now we have to show that given in this question given is what is given. ABC is a right triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. Any doubt? ABC is a right triangle in which angle B is equal to 90. Yes, Poonam, do you want to ask something? Poonam, do you want to ask something? Okay. Now angle B is equal to 90 degree. O is the midpoint of AC. O is the midpoint of AC. Construction. Join OB and extend it to D, extend it to D such that OD is equal to OB. OD is equal to OB. आपका OD क्या है? OB के इक्वल हो. आपने ऐसे कंस्ट्रक्शन करनी है कि OD OB के इक्वल है. Yes, students. Garvika Vats, please switch on your camera. Khushi Kumari, any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
Aditya Singh, Poonam, Divyansh Rai, Balkrishna, Aditi Yadav, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
First of all, we write given in the questions. We will write what is given in the question. After that, we will construction. Yes. Join OB and extend into points such that OD is equal to OB. This is equal to this. And join AD and CD. And join AD and CD. AD and CD. To show that, to prove that, what we have to prove. O is a point which is equidistant from A, B and C. O is a point which is equidistant from point A, B and C. Now we have to prove it. Any doubt, any problem up to here?
No, sir.
Now student will prove it. Now we'll prove it. O is the midpoint. O is the midpoint of AC. O is the midpoint of AC. It means OA is equal to OC. OA is equal to OC. That is given in the questions. It is given in the questions. Student, OA is equal to OC. Why? OA is equal to OC. Why? O is the midpoint of AC. OP is equal to OD. OP is equal to OD. Why? Why? क्यों है? Why कंस्ट्रक्शन? कंस्ट्रक्शन में हमने ऐसा किया है. But listen to me. OA is equal to OC. OB is equal to OD. OB is equal to OD. It means diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other. Diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other. A quadrilateral in which diagonal bisect each other, that quadrilateral is called parallelograms. स्टूडेंट, एक ऐसा क्वाड्रिलेटरल जिसके अंदर डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट करते हैं, हम उसको पैरेललोग्राम कहते हैं. एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम्स?
No, sir.
अब ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD के पैरेललोग्राम और नॉट. Why this quadrilateral is a parallelogram? Please tell me.
Sir, because the diagonal bisect each other.
Yes, diagonals bisect each other. So this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Now, diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other. So quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Students, please tell me that a quadrilateral, a parallelogram in which each angle is of 90 degree. एक एंगल 90 डिग्री है, एक पैरेललोग्राम जिसके अंदर क्या है, एक एंगल 90 डिग्री है. तो पैरेललोग्राम क्या होता है, बताइए मेरे को. रेक्टेंगल. वेरी गुड. अगर एक ऐसा पैरेललोग्राम जिसके अंदर एक एंगल 90 डिग्री हो गया, if each angle is of 90 degree, that parallelogram is called a rectangle. Rectangle, not square. Yes, rectangle. Now angle B is equal to 90 degree given. Angle B is equal to 90 degree given in the question. A parallelogram in which each angle is of 90 degree, ठीक ना, that is called rectangle. So parallelogram ABCD, parallelogram ABCD is a rectangle. And as we know that diagonals of rectangles are equals. As we know that diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Diagonals of a rectangle are equal. As we know that the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Yes. It means AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Students, AC क्या है? BD के इक्वल है. AC क्या है? AC BD के इक्वल है. अगर हम इसका हाफ करते हैं, हाफ ऑफ AC is equal to हाफ ऑफ BD. हाफ ऑफ AC is equal to हाफ ऑफ BD. ये भी इक्वल होगा. अगर AC BD के इक्वल है तो उसका हाफ भी तो इक्वल होगा. Then OA is equal to OB. OA क्या है? OB के इक्वल हो जाएगा. It means OA is equal to OB. OA OB के इक्वल. Student listen to me. OA OC के इक्वल है. OB OD के इक्वल है. ठीक है? Please consider equation first. It is consider your equation second, and we will consider that is equation number third. Students, in equation number first, OA is equal to OC. Given OA is equal to OC given in the question. Any doubt? Any problems?
Yes.
OB is equal to OD. Why? By construction. But we have to prove that OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB. Listen. Suppose OA is your 4 centimeter. OA 4 centimeter. Suppose, imagination, OA OC will be 4 centimeter. OA is equal to 4 centimeter. OC is equal to 4 centimeter. And your OA 4 centimeter. OB is also 4 centimeter. Any doubt? Any problems? स्टूडेंट OA क्या है? OA OC के इक्वल भी है, OA OB के इक्वल भी है कि नहीं है? अगर OA 4 सेंटीमीटर है तो OB 4 सेंटीमीटर ही होगा. एंड OB 4 सेंटीमीटर है तो OC भी 4 सेंटीमीटर ही होगा. अगर OB 4 सेंटीमीटर है तो OD भी 4 सेंटीमीटर ही होगा. If OA is equal to OC and OA is equal to OB and OB is equal to OD, it means from equation first, second and third we conclude that OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
OA OB के इक्वल है, OA OC के इक्वल भी है, OA OD के इक्वल भी है. From equation first, second and third we conclude that OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
स्टूडेंट्स, जब आपके पास डिस्टेंस क्या है? डिस्टेंस क्या है यहाँ पे? 1 second. It is saying that
Sir, please.
1 second. Now student, OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. It means OA, distance of OA, distance of OB and distance of OC are equal. So point O is equidistant from point OA, B and C. Is clear or not? Student, O एक ऐसा पॉइंट है जो A से B से और C से इक्वल डिस्टेंस के ऊपर है, इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे। इज क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, sir, that is clear.
Yes.
Now student write it. Now O is a point O is a point O is a point now O is a point O is a point now O is a point equidistant from point A, B and C. Any doubt, any problems? You can ask me. I will give this question of 5 marks in UD exams. If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.